Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, grab your cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old crochet talk. Well, I'm drinking good old black coffee this morning. Good, it's still warm. It's been sitting here for just a little bit while I was in there getting ready. Okay, so today's video, I just want to show you a little update. I'm so excited about this. Looky here. I made a washcloth. Make sure I got, yes, the right side. And the reason I said right side, because washcloths, it doesn't matter. But I just wanted the thicker surface slip on that side and the thinner, the back side to be that. So yeah, I made a washcloth. So I will have a PDF pattern and a tutorial for this. And guys, look at this. To match it, look at there. I made my first hanging dish towel. And then here's the matching washcloth. So getting ready for spring, summer, the whole, Easter, just getting ready for all of it. So be sure and look forward to this. And let's see. It's just a button and like this. It goes over your stove or, whatever thing that you want it to hang off of, and like that. And so if you want it hanging up on something, you can have it hanging up like that, however you want it. This here is about the width. You can actually make this a little longer if you choose to, a little wider rather, or even a little longer if you want. But I think this is very appropriate. I didn't want it hanging down too far on my stove, but yeah, so that's it right there. Here's the back side. Just kind of curls in, folds in there. Looks nice and pretty. And yeah, you can make tons of these, guys. Give them as gifts. Perfect gifts. So I plan on making some as gifts. And then, like I said, the little washcloth to go with it, dishcloth to go with it. These are 100% cotton, and I am using the Hobie yarn. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Yes, it feels so good. I am using the Friends Cotton 8/8. It's a 3 light DK weight yarn. There's 82 yards in here, and I use, I think for the dish towel, I may have used about 2 of these. For the washcloth, maybe 2.5 for the dish towel. And for the washcloth, 1 and maybe about 20 to 30 yards into another one. I mean, well, there you go. It looks like a full skein, right? So I just used a little bit just to finish off the washcloth here. And this is about 9 by 9. And this is the light pink. So I chose these 2 colors. And let's see. The color on this one is 44 if you're interested. I will leave links below, guys, for this yarn if you're interested in it. And as you guys know, Friends Cotton 8/8 is my favorite yarn. It's 100% cotton. I love the way it feels. I love the way it works up. And this is color 45. So 44 and 45. If you go to Hobie's website, and like I said, I'll leave the links, but these are the 2 colors, 44 and 45. Let's see. See, it has a nice good stretch to it. Look at that. Can't beat that, guys. And their cotton yarn just feels good. I love the way it feels. So far, I have never been disappointed with their yarn. It also, with this Hobie 8/8, Cotton 8, Friends Cotton 8/8. I'm going to get it here in a second. Any day now. Anyway, so far it has never let me down. I've never found knots in it. I do not find the yarn, what do you call it, splitty. The yarn doesn't separate. It's just great yarn. I love it. And I love the way it feels. All right, so the other thing, I was going to show you my buttons. I think they're about 1.25 inches. But there they are. I just happen to have a bag of buttons. And so just use that for my towel topper. So the other thing that I'm working on, and I didn't bring the yarn over here, so hold on just a second. I am working on a summer top. So you can wear like your swimsuit under it. And it's just going to be 2 panels. But here it is so far. This is going to be around the waist. And this is the front panel, back panel, whatever. Anyway, and I'm just doing some repeats of this, like this. And like I said, this is going to be around the waist. I just want it to be nice and comfy, just to be able to throw on when I'm out this summer and I'm, out at the beach or whatever, and I have a tank top on or, swimsuit or whatever. I can just throw this on over my stuff, or that's my goal for it, So anyway, so be sure and look forward to this one. The yarn that I'm using, the only thing is I am a little concerned about is this yarn feels so good though. So my biggest concern about this is, as far as like swimsuit wise, is that it does have silk in it. And so I'm probably not going to want to wear that to the actual beach and get wet. But it's Friends Cotton Silk. Let me see how much silk. Okay, 78% cotton, 22% silk. And the color is, it's a 3 light, by the way. Look at that. I just love the strands on that. Isn't that cool? This yarn feels really good, guys. Perfect for scarves. Oh my gosh. This would be a perfect shawl, scarf. And like I said, even this top. The top is going to feel so good. I'm so excited about it. Who knows? I could even turn it into a little dress. And have like a tank top and some leggings, or, biker shorts or something. Probably leggings be, not the 7/8, but maybe about the 7/8 inch leggings. The capri style leggings, or even just capris. But that'd be really good with this. Have a long, not a dress, but like a long tunic. Instead of it being at the waist, maybe go down a little farther. We'll see as I get to going. I'll have to be trying it on. But there will be a tutorial for it, guys. Let's see. I was trying to figure out the color on this one, so that in case you want this, I'll leave links below for this one as well. Let's see. Come on. The color is 53 on the mauve color. For the gray, we are looking at 117, if you're interested in that one. And the green, I've already pulled the label off, so I'm going to have to look and see which one. Okay, there's 117. And here is 53. I'm not sure where the green is. Okay, I found it. It is 530. So that's the 3 colors. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and do our devotion by Still Waters. Let's see what we have here. A longing deep within. He has made everything beautiful in its time. He has also set eternity into the human heart, yet no one can fathom what God has done from beginning to end. That's Ecclesiastes 3:11. As humans, we choose our own way, a way that led away from the light and the beauty and the wholeness and the love away from God. But we have a living legacy that mankind was made in God's image. Even after our epic fall into sin, that sublime rendering is still imprinted deep in our hearts. Every one of us comes in a time in our lives when we know that there is more to life than just making do, day after day after day. This transient world can't be all there is to our existence. We ache for a paradise lost, for that exquisite beauty and wonder beyond our brokenness, for that intimate relationship with our Maker. We long for the time when we could walk with Him in the cool of the evening. Jesus came to fulfill that deep longing in our hearts, to offer us mercy and forgiveness, to bring us back to a place of beauty in our souls, to restore us to a place of fellowship with the Father, to offer us paradise. Lord, thank you for setting eternity in my heart. May I never be parted from you. Amen. Wow, guys, that is beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that. Well, guys, let's see. Tomorrow is Whip Caddy Wednesday. Like I said, I'm going to work. I've got to do the Stitch of the Week. And actually, what I'm doing on Stitch of the Week is showing another tip on how to change colors. That, I forgot who that was. Maybe someone put that in the Facebook group page. And I tried it and I loved it. And I was like, well, I don't have that on my channel yet. I have one, but not this style. And I love this style. So I'm going to do that today. Anyway, I want to say thank you for that, for sending that or posting that in the Facebook group page. Appreciate that. But yeah, I'm just going to work on getting these tutorials. I'm still working with the magazines and getting the patterns and stuff edited for that. Yeah, just being busy. Today I'll be going with my daughter and getting to see my two of my grandchildren today. That's going to be fun. Just staying busy. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember, live life, have fun, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.